What's up, guys? Aaron Collier. I'm back. Facebook marketing part 3. So in our last video, what we talked about was how to make quality Facebook friends that are into marketing, guys. So I showed you where to find these people, how to connect with them. So in this video, we're actually going to go through and do some live messaging to connect with people further, get them interested in yourself and to find out what you're doing, guys. So let's just go ahead and jump right in, get started with this. I'll show you exactly what I do on a daily basis and how I do it. Okay, so we're here on my Facebook profile, guys, and I'm going to show you exactly where to go to find these people that have friends requested you or you friends requested them. So if you go here to Messenger, these people, see, Facebook will send you these notifications, say hi to your new Facebook friend, all these, and the list can go on and on depending on how many people you friend requested that day, or they have actually, they might have friend requested you at this point. I'm unsure, but so basically, I usually have a little script in my notes here, so I can just copy and paste that script. It's a lot easier and faster than sitting there typing out the whole script or what you want to say every time. So it basically says, hey, you want to insert their name. Thanks for connecting. I see we're both entrepreneurs, so I'd like to reach out to learn a little more about what it is you do. I look forward to hearing back from you and connect so we can follow each other's success stories. So I'll start with something simple like that. Wait and see what they come back with, and just kind of go from there. So let's go ahead and we'll copy this and minimize that back down. So let's just start here with this guy, Lindsay. So I'll paste the message here. I always want to make sure you spell their name right. People have different spellings to their name, so I always double check that, and I don't want to offend anybody. So, basically this is where we're going to start. We're just going to send them this simple message, and from there we can start connect and go ahead and send that. So we can just keep doing that multiple times, guys. Here's another one, Mark. You got all these chats popping up now. Where'd he go? Here we go. So Mark, let's just paste. That's not what I wanted to do. There you go. And like I said, double check the spelling because he spells it with a C. Alright, so there we go. We'll just put that. Send. Go look for another one. Here's Craig. So this is pretty basic and simple, guys. It makes it a lot faster if you just, I'm a horrible typer, as you can see. Makes it a lot faster if you just copy and paste these messages here. You're going to do multiple people per day. Alright, so that's the basics of it. When they come back and say, hey, great to meet you, what do you do? Then from there you just start your own conversation. Tell them about yourself. Sometimes you want to ask them about themselves. What do they do for work? What type of online business are they in? Anything just to get the conversation started. You could say, how's the weather out there in Florida or Miami, wherever they might be, just to get that dialogue going, guys. You want to connect with people, and people want to, know, like, and trust you before they actually start working with you. So that's where you're going to start. So how simple is that? Just be yourself aim at becoming Facebook friends with the people that you message so they can become a lead on Facebook. So once the two of you are connected, the other person is exposed to your news feed and will start seeing your post and will begin sharing and building rapport and make them want to partner up with you in business. Just aim at messaging 50 to 100 people every day, depending on how much time you have to spare. If you're like me and you work a full-time job, I do most of my networking on Facebook throughout the morning, a couple hours, 2-3 hours, and then I'll continue on throughout my day, and I will follow up through or with people as they're getting back to me and messaging me just throughout the day. So not everyone's going to respond, but the more people you message, the more conversations you can have, and the quicker you can build your network. The more conversations you have and the quicker you build your network, the more there is to convert into sales. This is why you want to make as many friends as possible. Like I said, you're allowed up to 5,000 friends on Facebook. You want to get there as quickly as possible so that you have more people to network to, and more people that are going to see your posts, and more people to message. So, and just always remember that value equals money. So if you want to draw people to you like a magnet, and you want to start signing people up consistently in your business, then simply add value to your post and to people's lives with your content, guys. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how I do post to get attention on Facebook, how I get so many likes, comments, and shares, and we're just going to be going through that and simply just give people value so they're interested in what you're doing, interested in you, and interested. So if you like the video, you got value from it, guys, please leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought. Give me some thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, guys. I got some more great content coming, including how to do watch parties like a boss on Facebook, guys. So stay tuned for that also. Let's connect on Facebook, guys. I'm going to put my link in the description here, and I'll see you in the next video.